Many Japanese bread taste like cake, making it preferred choice for snack. Today, I will show you how to make chocolate bun. Let's go.
In Japan, a variety of ingredients are needed into the bread, from chocolate chips and cocoa powder to roasted nuts, raisins, diced cheese and more, making each bite a delightful treat. Chocolate bread or chocolate bun is made by blending cocoa powder and chocolate chips into the dough, resulting in a visually appealing treat with an utterly delicious cake-like texture. Let's start by combining the flour, Kobo compressed fresh yeast, JBake1000 Bread Improver, salt, sugar, water and fat of your choice in the mixture bowl. Gradually add the cocoa powder and ensure the dough reaches full development during mixing. Once the dough is well kneaded, incorporate the solids like chocolate chips or nuts while mixing at low speed to prevent them from breaking down. After preparing the dough, ensure its temperature is between 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. You can now divide the chocolate dough into smaller portions, around 50 grams each, for rolls or buns, or opt for larger portions of 400 grams or more for bread molds. It's recommended to create a variety of shapes for visual appeal and variety. Here are some of the shapes you can make. After shaping the dough, allow it to proof for 40 to 60 minutes at 35 degrees Celsius. Next, we are going to score the buns. Make sure to score deep enough, from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch deep, erring on the latter to ensure that the cut doesn't close up during baking. It's now time to bake the buns. It is difficult to tell how it looks after baking, so check the bread's hardness by gently touching it after baking. Voila! Your sweet and delicious chocolate bun is ready. Enjoy!